Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and guys, it's time to share another goal with you right now. All right, so I'm a little annoyed. All right, I'm a little annoyed because I see so many YouTubers, right, who are making 5 and 6 figures a year from their YouTube channels, right? From just the YouTube ads. And I said to myself, man, I could do this. Why can't I get to 6 figures just from YouTube ads? Can I do it, right? And I told myself, yes, I can. Yes, I will. So how am I planning on hitting this crazy, super, goal that I have that, keep in mind, a lot of YouTubers are making 6 figures, believe it or not, from their channels, just the ads, right? So here's my simple strategy to hit this goal, all right? The first thing is to be super consistent, right? If you notice, well, if you subscribe, maybe you're not, but I plan on dropping at least 5 videos a week, right? And really be consistent when it comes to that. Maybe even sometimes 6 videos, all right? The second thing is to really hone in on my research more, really figure out what's going on with YouTube, what are people talking about on YouTube, what do people want to know on YouTube when it comes to making money online, starting an online business and work from home jobs. So really step up my research. And thirdly, answer questions. Really get to focusing on, when people leave comments and leave good questions, really taking the time to answer these questions. And if I get enough, or the question is really good, turn that into a good video, right? And which is like my bonus, which is the overall, is to bring consistent, good content to the channel. I think if I do all of these things, it's gonna help me reach that 6-figure mark, right? 6-figure in a year mark. And I know it's gonna be a grind, but that's what it's about, right? It's about the journey more than it actually is the result, right? So I'm excited to really hone in, put that work in and grind and hit this goal, because I see too many people, too many YouTubers who don't even got as content as good as mine. And they up here, really profiting and benefiting from their YouTube channel. And I feel great about it, because I know I'm bringing real content that people can use and to help them hit their financial goals. So I'm super excited about doing this. And you can take the same mindset, right? If you're trying to make money on YouTube and you want to increase your ad earnings, take the same philosophy, right? Try to post more consistent, do more research, and answer questions, right? Now, obviously, when it comes to YouTube ads, it does depend on what niche you're in, depending on how much money you can earn from your ads. But you can do it, because as long as your channel's monetized, you can earn money. So if you're trying to do the same thing, you want to take this journey with me, comment below and let me know. Say, hey, I'm doing the same thing. I want to hit 6 figures too, right? And let me know if you're going to be consistent, if you're going to do your research and answer questions. That's what I'm doing. So I will see you at the top. And just to really work with YouTube, right? And just to show YouTube, hey, I'm trying to work with y'all. I'm trying to hit them numbers. I'm gonna let YouTube decide which one of my videos you should watch now.